Go! Stop! Please! Hey, this is Utah, by the way. And my name is Nab Bane. And hi. But this can be interpreted to me Nab Bane. Because Utah last time was John. And Billigan was now John. Utah ain't Billigan. Well, you look at my sign, it says Nab Bane 2. Because my name is Nab Bane. No, Utah didn't dismiss you. No, Utah is still right there. Oh, were you trying to look for me? Yeah, I was right over there. And then I called here. And my calling didn't make sense this time. I went there. Yeah. Utah's still okay? Then why did Utah beat Billigan? Billigan was dead now. We're sad just because we're dead. It's all Utah's fault. Oh no, that's making Utah sad somehow. I'm wondering. I don't want to be Nab Bane anymore. But my name, I'm sorry, my name is just Nab Bane. It's okay, Utah, don't worry. I'm here to protect you. There's nothing wrong with you. Nothing affected. What's wrong, Utah? Is there some mysterious voice? Just because you turned giant doesn't mean that. Well, Utah's sad just because of that. Oh, that poor Utah. Great, we're here now. I believe the control room. This is the control room. Guys, is there anyone that wanted guess here? My name is still Nab Bane. If this will help us, the sheriff a giggle thing on the wall. That's Utah's friend. And with Utah right now, too. Yeah. Go upstairs, okay? Well, fine, I'll just not say my name. Guys, you're down there now. Yeah, I'm wondering if we're just going to get a new world. By the way, I speak the teeth. Your drone here. Look, do the buttons and maybe that'll open the door. It did not open the door, then just click that button right there. Yay, it opened it! If you end up in this trash can, you'll be over if you get caught by by the Opila bird. So don't. No! Don't be a bird's coming! You're going to get caught by it!